Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. This is part 3 of the many uses of get. Here we're looking at using get to get something done professionally. If you pay another person or company to do something, you get it done. Also, you can use have. You have something done. So we use get. Get is the action when you pay someone to do something professionally. So I use the action get. I get something, my car, my phone, and then the action in a participle, done. You get something done. Our first example, I get something done. In this case, something is my car. I get my car fixed. We use the participle of fix. Fixed. Pronunciation with a t. Fixed. I need to get my car fixed because it's not working. Let's practice. Can you fix your car yourself?
No, I can't fix my car myself.
Do you need to take your car to the mechanic?
Yes, I need to take my car to the mechanic.
Do you need to get your car fixed?
Yes, I need to get my car fixed.
Very good. Do you need to get your car fixed? Very good. Let's practice. Are you going on vacation?
Yes, I'm going on vacation.
Are you driving or flying?
I'm driving.
Do you need to get your car checked first?
Yes, I need to get my car checked first.
Do you need to get your car checked? Very good. Do you know how to change the oil in your car?
No, I don't. I always take my car to the shop.
How often do you get your oil changed?
I get my oil changed once every 3 months.
How often do you get your oil changed? Very good. Do you do your own nails?
No, I don't.
Do you get your nails done?
Yes, I get my nails done.
Do you get your nails done? Very good. Where do you get your nails done?
I get my nails done at the salon.
Very good. Where do you get your nails done? Very good. Are you going to the party this Saturday?
Yes, I'm going to the party this Saturday.
Are you going to get your hair done for the party?
Yes, I'm going to get my hair done for the party.
Are you going to get your hair done for the party? Very good. Where do you get your hair done?
I get my hair done at my friend's salon. She's a good hairstylist.
Very good. It looks nice.
Thanks.
Where do you get your hair done? Very good. How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Do you go to the dentist too?
Yes, I go to the dentist too.
Do you get your teeth cleaned?
Yes, I get my teeth cleaned.
Do you get your teeth cleaned? Very good. How often do you get your teeth cleaned?
I get my teeth cleaned twice a year.
How often do you get your teeth cleaned? Very good. Where is he?
He's at the dentist.
Where is he? Very good. What is he doing?
He's getting his teeth cleaned.
What is he doing? Very good. Is the roof old?
Yes, the roof is old.
Is it leaking?
Yes, it's leaking.
Is the roof old? Is it leaking? Very good. Do you need to get the roof fixed?
Yes, I need to get the roof fixed.
Very good. Does she need to get the roof fixed? Very good. Is the door broken?
Yes, the door is broken.
Do you know how to fix it?
No, I don't know how to fix it.
Is the door broken? Do you know how to fix it? Very good. Do you need to get the door fixed?
Yes, I need to get the door fixed.
Does she need to get the door fixed? Very good. Are the windows old?
Yes, the windows are old.
Are the windows old? Do you need to get new windows installed?
Yes, I need to get new windows installed.
Does she need to get new windows installed? Very good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, watch another one and watch another one. More practice. And if you have any question, leave us a comment and we will get back to you and we'll answer any question you have.